Hello everyone, welcome back to another English lesson. Today we are talking about two words that often confuse English learners. Near and nearby. They both mean clues, but are used differently. By the end of this video, you will know exactly when to use each one. Let's dive in. First, let's look at the word near. It can be used in three different ways: as a preposition, adverb, or adjective. Let's break them down one by one. Near is most commonly used as a preposition to show the location of something. For example, there is a coffee shop near my office. The school is near my house. We don't say the school is nearby my house. Near as an adverb. Near can also be used as an adverb, meaning not far away. For example, I don't live far. I live near. Near can also be used as an adjective to describe something that is close. For example, we are in the near city. Now let's talk about nearby. It is only used as an adjective or adverb, but not as a preposition. When nearby is used as an adjective, it comes before a noun. For example, we need a nearby restaurant. Is there a nearby pharmacy? Nearby as an adverb. As an adverb, nearby means close to this place and usually comes at the end of a sentence. For example, are there any restaurants nearby? There is a big market nearby. We don't say there is a restaurant nearby my house. Instead say, there is a restaurant near my house. Let's summarize the key differences. Use near when you need a preposition before a noun. For example, the bank is near my office. You are describing distance as an adverb. For example, I live near. You are using it as an adjective. For example, the near future. Use nearby when you need an adjective before a noun. For example, there is a nearby park. You need an adverb meaning close to here. For example, there is a gas station nearby. Now it's your turn. Fill in the blanks with the correct word, near or nearby. There is a hospital nearby. The train station is near my house. We are looking for a nearby coffee shop. How many did you get right? Let me know in the comments. Now you know the difference between near and nearby. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. See you in the next lesson.